Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your clips from snapping when you've already split it. So I'm just going to split it a few times like so, and then as you can see, my one doesn't snap unless I put it here. It doesn't snap. And what I did was just I turned this off. There's these options here where you can turn off auto snapping, turn off linkage, turn off preview access, and so on. So if I did enable this, it'll kind of snap. Or was it this one? Oh, okay. It's this one that will activate the auto snap. So make sure you turn this off. I like to just turn these off while I edit so I can separate them without them being connected to each other. So keep in mind these buttons over here are very important. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!